There is a dark secret side to creating viral YouTube shorts. Almost like an iceberg, you have your top part that's completely visible, is in the light, and it's your typical popular YouTube short, just like this.
I'm gonna try to sneak my friend into a theme park by dressing him as a baby.
However, there is a darker and much larger side of the YouTube short iceberg. And in this video, we'll be investigating that side of the iceberg. And we will be looking at the secret AI softwares that they use to make their videos go viral as fast as possible. Welcome to TubeMagic. If you guys came here to learn how to gain subscribers on YouTube from not just posting your long form content, but by also posting YouTube shorts and just gain a new following, get a couple of viral shorts, and build up your channel, well then you've come to the right place. If you're posting long form content on YouTube, you are missing out on so many subscribers that you could be gaining, a community that you could be building, but you're missing out because you're only posting long form content and you're not dipping into the short form content of YouTube. As we speak right now, YouTube is desperately pushing out shorts on the platform because they really want to be the #1 short form content site on the entire internet, passing Instagram Reels, passing TikTok, passing all other competition. And so by posting on shorts, you're not only getting extra money if your channel is monetized, but you're also building up your community, transferring all the short form content viewers to your long form content, and you're gaining immense growth to your YouTube channel. And no, this mysterious method I'm gonna be showing you guys is not your typical blueprint where you're scripting all day and recording, editing YouTube shorts. In fact, with this method, you could possibly generate 30 YouTube shorts in a day, and that's enough to span you an entire month of content for YouTube shorts. Do you wanna get into the dark side of YouTube shorts? Let's begin. So I'm gonna show you guys two different ways to generate YouTube shorts. The first one is if you don't have any content whatsoever on your YouTube channel, any long form content, nothing. And the second one is if you already have long form content on your channel, you've already posted and you wanna utilize those to make you YouTube shorts to push towards your longer content. So starting off, if you have no long form content whatsoever, you're gonna wanna use a tool called TubeMagic, which is an AI software completely designed to make creators' videos go viral, and it's by YouTube creators for YouTube creators. And as you can see, they have so many AI tools that you can use, and we'll get to them. But the first tool we're gonna wanna use is the video research tool right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and type in my niche. So for example, I'm gonna do psychology right here. I'm gonna hit enter. Now it's showing me a bunch of psychology videos, but right here we actually have a filter. So I'm just gonna press on the view range, and I'm gonna put it up to 100K to 1 million or 1 million plus. So I'm just gonna put it on right here. And now you're gonna see a bunch of videos like 12 psychology tricks that read anyone instantly, master the art of persuasion, the scandal that shook psychology to its core. A bunch of videos that are getting tons of views within my niche. And I could just keep going through these. But what I'm specifically looking for is I'm looking for a channel like this one that I'm just gonna press on, and I'm gonna go to their channel and look at their views and see if they're getting consistently good views. Now this channel really isn't getting a lot of great views, but I'm just gonna use it as an example just so you guys understand. And if they have shorts posted just like this one, and those are also getting views, then that's a big plus. So use a channel just like that. And what we're gonna wanna do is copy their username right here, and then we're gonna use it on a next TubeMagic tool that's going to be very useful, and you guys will see in just a moment. And now that I have the name of the channel I want to model copied, I'm gonna go over back to TubeMagic's main tool page and select on this video ideas tool right here. And I'm just going to insert the name of the channel and hit on generate. And now TubeMagic is actually analyzing the channel and making unlimited, unique, viral-worthy video ideas completely based off the channel. And I can just keep generating them as much as I want and get amazing video ideas like the science of persuasion, 15 mind tricks to influence anyone, 15 surprising psychology hacks to influence anyone subconsciously, 10 unexpected psychological tactics to outsmart any situation. These are all good video ideas, and it's completely generating them for me. And if you use a channel that's already getting a ton of views at the moment within your niche, then you're using AI to completely model that channel and give yourself a winning viral video ideas so you can be posting videos just like that channel and be winning in your niche as well. And you can do it in seconds rather than sitting around all day and trying to come up with video ideas. And then what you can just do is just keep on hitting the generation button, and then you can just copy the videos that you like the most and add them to a list just like this one, and you can build up a list of video ideas for the entire month quickly using TubeMagic. And I'm just gonna adjust this just like that, and boom, I've made an entire list of videos that I can generate right now. Now just remember, a lot of these videos are based on long form content. So we'll say the 15 psychological tricks, 10 surprising. In fact, what you're gonna wanna do is lower these to 5 or 3 to make them fit more into the YouTube Shorts format. But whenever you're ready, you're gonna wanna hit on generate script, and it's going to prompt you to TubeMagic's AI script writer just like this. And it's already completely filled out everything for you. But if you haven't filled that out, all you have to do is just put in the name of your video and then add some context. And then now you're gonna select on a template. And in this example, we're doing shorts. So I'm gonna press on shorts right here, and it'll actually make it under 60 seconds. And I'm gonna hit on generate right here. And then now TubeMagic is generating me a complete short just like this within seconds. And as you can see, I've completely made a video. So all right, guys, listen up. We got 3 mind-blowing psychological tricks up our sleeves. They'll make anyone like us instantly. First up, mirroring body language. Yep, that's right. By subtly mimicking anyone's gestures and postures, we create a sense of connection. So this is a script completely made. And what I'm going to want to do is actually copy this and make sure that it's under a minute long. Going to a free online words and time converter, I'm going to simply paste in my script and look at how long it is. The talk time is 41 seconds, so we're in the clear. But what I like to do is actually remove a lot of this fluff, like stuff right here. All right, guys, listen up. We can remove that. We've got 3 mind-blowing psychological trips up our sleeves that'll make anyone like us instantly. So something I've just noticed is actually only generated me a first and second, only 2 mind-blowing psychological tricks. And the reason because of that is the AI is trying to keep it within the YouTube Shorts format. But what I could easily do is go back to TubeMagic's AI scriptwriter, and I could just regenerate it again and copy another one. So we already got mirroring, we've already got compliments, and then lastly is the scarcity principle. There we go. We can copy that and put it back on our script. And I'm just gonna remove parts like right here. And there we go. 34 seconds for the script. And you can easily do 30 YouTube shorts just like this, their scripts, in less than an hour. And usually this would take you an entire day to go out and script 30 YouTube shorts, come up with the ideas. But with TubeMagic, we've completely sped up the process instantly. Now just remember, at the end of all your scripts, make sure to simply add a simple subscribe for more, so people are reminded that they should be subscribing to the channel, because sometimes they scroll through shorts and they don't understand that they have the option of subscribing. So by simply reminding them at the very end of the video, you'll get a lot more of conversions for people subscribing and then eventually tuning in for your long form content. And if you want to get TubeMagic today, one of the most top tier AI softwares on the entire internet, completely dedicated to supercharging your YouTube fame, your YouTube channel, making your channel viral, then you can get TubeMagic for $1 for 1 week in the description below. Not many people have access to this amazing deal, but you're able to try out TubeMagic for only $1 for an entire week. And as I showed you guys, there's a lot you could get done in just 1 week of TubeMagic. Now switching to a software called Pictory, we're gonna go over to script to video and press on proceed, and then enter our script just like this. Now what you're gonna wanna do is actually go through and start doing a bunch of line breaks just like this. The reason for this is because these will all act as individual scenes right here, so there will be a different video that pops up between all of these line breaks. And what you're going to want to do is go over to scene settings right here and make sure that line breaks is enabled. I believe that sentence breaks is automatically enabled, so just make sure that line breaks is on, and then you're going to hit on proceed, and then Pictory is going to generate you an entire video from scratch within minutes, especially if you're doing a YouTube short just like this. It'll be done in literally no time. Now, once your video is completely generated, what you're gonna wanna do is go over here and switch it from landscape to portrait so it follows TikTok, Reels, and Shorts format. And then you're just gonna wanna go through and make sure that all of these scenes are correct and that they fit within this ratio. Like for example, I don't really like this scene right here, so I'm just gonna type in gesture in the visuals tab right here, and I'm gonna pick one that I feel like works. So like for this example, this girl doing the sign. So that works much more better. And don't worry about the story blocks thing that's going to disappear. And then what we're gonna wanna do is go over to the text right here, and we're gonna move that right into the middle so it doesn't interfere with the border of YouTube Shorts. And I'm gonna hit on apply to all, so it applies it to every single scene. And actually, I'm just gonna move that down a little bit more. Apply to all in every scene. And then we're gonna go over to audio right here. We're gonna select on voiceover, and then we're gonna pick one of the many voices in the entire library of Pictory. And they have so many, but what you can also do is you can actually just go ahead and upload your own voice, and Pictory will match it to your voice, or you can upload another text-to-speech from another software that's more realistic, or a voice clone of you. Once you do that, you can go over to background music right here and then pick a song. But personally, me, I like putting in a TikTok song from a playlist, such as a playlist like this, TikTok background music, and I'll just pick a song that people already know, that people are already familiar with, instead of using the copyright-free kind of generic copyright songs. Like a playlist like this, TikTok background music, and use songs people are familiar with rather than generic non-copyright music. These are just a lot more better, and this is just my personal preference, but you guys can easily use the non-copyright music on Pictory. Now, whenever you're finished with your video, you're gonna wanna go over up to here and hit on the download button, and then Pictory is completely processing your short, and when you look at the alternative for editing, usually making a short like this would take an hour or two of editing, but now I've done it in just 5 minutes using Pictory. Now here's the final finished product for my short made with Pictory.
That will make anyone like us instantly. First up, mirroring body language. Yeah, that's right. By subtly mimicking someone's gestures and posture.
But don't go anywhere yet, because we still haven't got to the part where we're actually uploading the video on YouTube, because that part is extremely important for increasing the chances of your video going completely viral and your YouTube shorts popping. So for secret method number 2, it's if you have content already on your channel. So for example, we have the TubeMagic channel open, we have an old video. What I'm just gonna do is copy the link right here, and then I'm gonna switch to a software called Opus, where I can simply drop in the link to my video, select a sample that I like the most. So for this example, I'm gonna use Think Media, and then I'm gonna hit Get Clips in 1 click. And now Opus is doing all the hard work for you. And at this moment, you can go away from your computer, you can close out of the tab. Opus will directly email you once your clips are finished, but you're just gonna have to wait this estimated waiting time depending on how long your video is. Usually it's a fraction of this, so don't worry, it'll be done in no time. So here's how it looks like once it's finished. Pictory has made me 10 YouTube shorts from an 8-minute video, and the best part is these are actually ranked by a virality score right here with a brief description explaining what makes them so viral. So let's watch one right here. AI Guy, Debt Busters, and How to AI. These are all channels in the new age of YouTube that are made easily with the power of AI software. So as you can see, that's a really good YouTube short, and I can just post that right now. I can even go in and edit some of the subtitles, edit some of the emojis, edit some of the crop. But what you're gonna wanna do is go through and start downloading all of these. And you can easily make 30 YouTube shorts within an hour, depending on just how much content you have, how long your videos are. But honestly, this is a great tool for making YouTube shorts. And right now, I'll just quickly pop up on the screen how the finished example looks like. AI Guy, Debt Busters, and How to AI. These are all channels in the new age of YouTube that are made easily with the power of AI softwares. If you just went a few years back, there was never creators on YouTube using AI to make it 10 times easier. So I've shown you the 2 methods of actually generating the shorts with AI, but I still haven't shown you guys the most important part that you guys have to pay real close attention to, because this is the part that ensures your video has the highest chance of going viral, and this is what people on the dark side of the YouTube Shorts iceberg are doing. So right here, I'm uploading a video, and usually at this point, people put a title, description, and then they'll put the tags down over here as well. But you guys are much smarter than that. Instead of filling these out, we're actually just gonna leave them blank for now, and we're gonna fill out all the necessary things, such as, it's not made for kids. We're gonna go through here. And then instead of setting it as private or public or scheduled, we're actually gonna set it as unlisted. Most people don't do this, but we're gonna set it as unlisted and hit save. And then once your video is finished processed, we're gonna press on these 3 buttons right here and get the shareable link, and then we're gonna go back into TubeMagic, the AI software that's dedicated to supercharging your YouTube channel. Now on TubeMagic's main tool page, because we're much smarter than everyone else and we're using AI, we're gonna scroll down to the Warp Upload Optimizer right here. And then we're just gonna simply insert our link right here and hit on generate. And now TubeMagic is actually studying videos with 10, 20, 30 million views, videos with viral optimization, and it's using that same model with AI machine learning to create you viral optimization just like this. So it's creating me a title, description, and tags all for my video to make it go viral, and I can just simply copy these. So I can simply copy my title, I can copy my description right here, and I can copy my tags right here and put them on my YouTube short and upload them. This is super useful because most people posting shorts don't actually optimize their video because it takes so long, and they post shorts every single day, 3 times a day, whatever, and it usually takes too much time. But now you're able to do it in seconds, so you have no excuse to add viral optimization to your YouTube shorts with AI. And you can try one of the best top-tier AI softwares on the entire internet, specifically designed to supercharge your YouTube channel for $1 for 1 week. And as I've shown you guys can get a lot done in 1 week. and you only need $1 to get started on one of the most best AI softwares on the entire internet, in my opinion. However, if you got any value from this video, then you're gonna get much more value by watching this video series right here for completely free that we put up on our YouTube channel. In this free video series, you learn how to 10x the growth on your YouTube channel, so go watch it right now.